Back again in conversations with the young scion of the SIS conglomerate. So young, so ambitious, you've achieved so much,
I'm
Rituraj.
not as young as you think I am.
Well, you look young, so go for it, enjoy that moment. But I want to understand कि SIS के जो banner है, आगे अभी present और आगे क्या सोच है company के लिए?
Well, I mean, SIS is a 4,000 crore consolidated revenues group this year. So,
What a feat, huh?
well, I think we've
and-
come a long way from where we were, but I think what's more exciting for me is that the future prospects are tremendous.
Okay.
So, India, for example, if it continues to grow at the fast clip that it's growing, we expect that the demand for private security, for cleaning, for pest control, for electronic security, cash management,
yeah.
is just going to grow multifold.
Sky's the limit.
So I think, I mean, we believe that, I mean, our Vision 2020 is about, doubling the revenues of SIS to 8,000 crore plus. It's about...
How do you plan to do that? What are the...
Well, I think each of these businesses
Stepping points,
is growing exponentially by
exponentially.
itself. Like, for example, our guards business, the 5-year compounded annual growth is upwards of 35%. Our cash business, 5-year compounded annual growth is upwards of 30%. Our cleaning business grew 52% last year. So organic growth is a tremendous opportunity. And then obviously we hope at some point to tap the capital markets, raise some money, and maybe then work towards consolidating the sector through some acquisitions. So, hopefully that will bring us to a reasonable size.
So in which of these sectors do you find the most revenue stream coming from?
Well, it's very hard for me to say, because I think, the reason why we put it as separate, strategic business units is because we didn't want to compromise the opportunity in one for the other.
I've understood.
So
actually...
So we segregated them. So
definitely.
the guarding business itself can grow, 25-30% for the next 5 years. Organic plus inorganic. Cash business can maintain similar growth rates. Electronic security can be very big itself. So I think all these businesses will grow exponentially organically, and if we can also be the first one to raise significant capital and do consolidation, then I think we have once in an industry lifetime opportunity in India.
How is this for a young budding entrepreneur? And I add this in also because your company काफी काम कर रहे हैं in terms of vocational training and encouraging youngsters to get involved into this space. इसलिए मैं पूछ रही हूँ.
Well, I think security is a fantastic career opportunity. I mean, we've been hiring from IIMs in the last 2 years. Not something that you would sort of
expect or hear exactly.
So I think people now recognize that there is a career opportunity here, and I think the beauty of this sector is that it offers career opportunity to all levels of young India. If you are a landless, rural youth with just a 10th qualification, we have a career opportunity for you. And if you're a IIM grad and you want to do something in an emerging sector, we have a career opportunity for you.
I love that. I love the two diametrically opposite examples you've given. That is so amazing. Or for a young budding entrepreneur.
Absolutely. I think, there are so many startups in the security space and the opportunity is huge. I think the entire sector is growing. It's not just one or two companies. So I think there is so much to be done in this space, and I'm sure that this sector will also see a huge number of startups
coming out, Rituraj, give us some of your gyan. I mean, in such a quick period of time, you have just risen and grown so exponentially. And I must add in, through transparency, through ethics, through all the right ways of doing business. हमारे audience young है, share कर लीजिए.
I think, I don't think I have any serious gyan to give anybody. I'm still learning myself, but few things that I've learned, sometimes the hard way. I think in a people business, in a people business and a service business, I think one of my big learnings is that people come first, your employees come first, before your customers. So that's the way I approach my business. My people are my product. My customer satisfaction is linked to my people. So if I can keep my people motivated and satisfied, that's the first positive step towards a happy customer. So you know,
Unbelievable. This
so
is the
one of
first
the
time
things,
anybody's ever said that. Very
so I
interesting.
mean, I could be, you know, proved wrong, but I think my belief is that people come first. My employees come before anybody else, and I think if a service business which is very people dependent, like our business,
Yeah. Totally,
focus-
completely people
yeah,
dependent.
focuses on the proposition for its employees and how to get them to be better individuals, to render a better service as a guard, render a better service as a cleaner or a cash van operator. If we can just enable them to do that,
Yeah.
I think that directly impacts my customers.
Wow. Where do you see SIS 5 years down the line or 10? Dream plan.
Well, I think the next $1 billion+ security services giant will be from this part of the world. Whether it's us or it's somebody else, that time will tell. But I think in terms of opportunity, India is by far the best place to do business support services in the world at the moment.
It has really been fantastic chatting with you, Rituraj. We
My pleasure. Thanks so much.
wish you all the best of luck in SIS, and may you continue to grow and grow exponentially.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thanks.
you so much.
Good chat.
Thank you.
Thank you.